On Zay.
Come down, Zay.
Keep running, Vic. Go hard race.
Go, Zay.
On Zay, there, Vic.
I'm Zay.
Come down, 6.
I'm Zay.
On Zay. Good fight, kid. That's for 2. I'm now.
Keep winning, boy. Keep winning.
Come on, Zay. Keep battling. Let's go.
Let's just 4, 6. Let's 4.
On Zay.
Let's go, 6.
On 6, I'm Zay. On Zay.
Oh!
Hey, Eli, after sounded made when it hit your head the other day. Yeah. What happened? I hit a ball bounced off the net. Yeah.
I'm now 6.
On Zay.
Let's go, kid.
Let's go, Zay.
On Zay.
Let's go, Ben. Hey, finally on, Ben. Let's go.
Batting ninth for Carlmont, the catcher, number 25, Benjamin Taylor.
Get the next guy up.
Let's go, 25.
I'm now.
I'm bad. I'm bad.
I'm 2-5 on bed.
On bed. Good.
Let's go. Let's go. I'm 2-5.
On bed.
Let's go, Ben.
I'm in bed.
Ben 10.
George Stevens. On 2-5. I'm bed.
Let's go, Ben.
On bed.
EBT.
Bed.
Ready. I'm 2-5.
On bed.
Let's go, kid.
Go bed.
On time, let's go.
On now bed.
Not 2-5.
Good lead.
All right, good luck.
Let's go, Ben.
Oh, bed.
On Ben, let's go, Ben.
On Benjamin. 5. I'm bed.
I'm made, Ben. No, 2-5.
On bed.
Come on, kid.
On bed. I'm bed.
No runs, no hits, no errors, and no runners left on in the top of the third. We go to the bottom of inning 3 here at Benedetti Diamond, and it's a 1-0 lead for the home team, the Sacred Heart Cathedral Fighting Irish. You can catch the home team for the majority of the games here. That's the University of San Francisco Dons as they take on the University of San Diego in a big rivalry on Friday at 2, Saturday at 2, and Sunday at 1 coming up.
Touching warm, reaching out, touching me.
And just a reminder, or if you didn't know already, we want to let you know that we do need your help in returning the baseballs to either dugout. Whichever one you can safely do so. Please do not throw the balls onto the field if there's some way of doing that. Do not do that. But you get them down there, we do appreciate your help. Not sure if there's a reward, but obviously any baseball that's in worthy shape we want to return to play at an appropriate time. And if you do go searching for them off on Golden Gate Avenue or towards the hilltop, please look out for passing vehicles as well. Thank you for all your help.
Like at the end of the game, there was that big 3-pointer that UConn made, like with a minute left. They were just like, what?
Vegas guys definitely proud of it.
Yeah. They definitely won both sides of it. At the end of the game, Michigan wrestled down and throw it down the court. I'm like, that was such a horrible ball.
I know. That's what I hate about it.
Leading off the third inning for Sacred Heart Cathedral, third baseman Lucas Carl.
We take it away. Joey, boy.
Do you start the session? 76. Tell me something, man.
That boy gets it.
Here you go, here you go.
I'm not okay with a part, but I can see it.
Shortstop Tedford Lewis. At that,
Hey, no
first
double.
baseman Jacob Vines.
Gotta be quick to the plate. Bigger.